Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy JayJay the Barber back with another video for you guys, you know what I'm saying? It's a quick drop fade tutorial with the side part. It's my first video in a while. Matter of fact, it's my first video using a new camera. And hey, I know some of the angles in this video not so good, but the next videos I promised are better. I already recorded them. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram at JayJay the 96. And y'all let me know what y'all think about the video down in the comment section. All right, let's get into it. All right, guys. So here we go. We're going to start off by picking out his hair and combing it through. Picking his hair and combing it through. That's what we always do. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna start by making the bald line, the bald guideline. I like to start in the back because for me, I just think it helps me make it more even all the way around. And then you'll see right here, I'm gonna curve the bald line to the shape of his head. And then here I'm just going over it. These are zero gapped, so these will get pretty close. These are the closest we're gonna do on him. We're not gonna use the shavers because he'll bump up. And I'm always careful like cutting like black people hair because a lot of the times if you use a shaver on them, they'll bump up. Sometimes they don't, you know, just always ask. So we're just gonna start now by making we're gonna do the blade open, and then we're closing it a little bit. Here we're gonna hit it again, and then we'll close it all the way to get that first guideline out. And we're using the silver Babyliss FX. And I actually put the wall magic clip blade on here because I personally didn't like the blade that the Babyliss FX came with. I feel like it was too thick. I like, you know, skinny blades, thin blades, fade blades. But I do like the clipper. The clipper is very strong and smooth. So, and then here we're just taking our liners and working out the bottom. And then what I do, I just take that whole thing and go all the way around. I do one side, then I go to the back, and then to the other side. I don't think you'll see me go to the other side from here, but you know, you get the idea. So we're just doing open, halfway, close. So now I got my masters with the zero guard on it with the lever closed. The reason I'm using the masters is because I don't like the zero guard on the wall. I mean, I like it, I just don't like using it for hair that's this curly. That's this curly and this tight. I feel like it's a struggle using the wall zero guard. But on the masters, the guard is pointed, and I think that does, you know, wonders. And then the reason I have it closed is because the masters are longer. The blade is longer, so, you know, you can go closed. If you don't have the masters, then you could just do the one guard closed and then work your way down, or you can do the zero guard open and work your way down like that. So now clearly you see I took the zero guard off the masters, and I'm just, you know, trying to get the line out, closing the lever as needed. And now we're back with our Babyliss FX. This is the 2 guard, and we're just going up off the side of his head. Not trying to dig in. I just want to, blend down from here. Take some of the bulk off. Now we got the lever closed. And then after this, we'll just go to the 1.5 guard. Take some more bulk off with that. And then we'll go to the 1 guard, and the 1 guard should bring us all together. So this is the 1.5 guard. I'm going down with the grain because I want to lay the hair down. The more you lay the hair down, the better the fade will come out. So I'm always combing, always trying to get the hair to lay down as much as possible. And then now I just flip that clipper over. Now I'm going against the grain. And now we got the 1 guard open, and then we'll close it. Man, my client was tired this cut. It really took me forever to make this video. It took me forever to cut them because, man, I'm just trying to find the right angles. I'm keep looking at the camera, and then it's just, bro, like recording yourself cutting hair it's a challenge for me. But I already recorded my next videos, and in my opinion, they came out a lot better than this. As far as, the quality of the videos, the angles, lighting and stuff like that. So now we're just going to do the same thing to the other side. Here's a 0 guard on the masters. Now that's the 1.5 guard. I think the lever is open. Maybe might have been closed. Who knows? You just start open, you can always close it. Now this is we just went closed against the grain with the 1.5. And then we hit it with the 1. So I always fade the same. I always fade up to the 0 guard. After that, I bring the fade down. And there are a lot of ways to fade hair. My way may not be the best way, definitely isn't the only way, you know, but you gotta, you know, do what's most comfortable for you, you know. Hopefully you can find something from this video that's helpful. Now we're going back and detailing, getting a couple areas that we missed. And now we just got to connect the back. I think it also helps me to make the fade come out even when I do both of the sides first and then go to the back. And then he didn't want none off of the top. He just wanted to even it out. So that's what we're doing right now. We're just freehanding it, really just getting all the loose hairs off. And then once we do that, we'll be ready to prep the lineup, which we're doing right now. So I like to comb down the front hairs, and then I take the 1.5 guard and go down with the grain, just knock down the hairs that I just combed, get them to lay down. So now we're just edging them up. And these Slimline Pros, they're a good clipper, but I do not have them set to where they're hitters. They are not by any means what you would consider hitters. The clipper is good, and yeah, you can turn this clipper into hitters. I believe you can turn any clipper, any trimmer into hitters, but these are not hitters. But I'm just taking my time, hitting the line multiple times, and it's coming out pretty nice. Trying not to push him back. And you just wanted a little part right there at the corner. So we'll do that, and then flip the trimmer over and get the bottom side of the line. And guys, I definitely have more tutorials coming. I know I've been slacking, bro. It's been like 7 months, maybe 8 months since I last posted a video. But I got more videos with better angles, because like, this is a bad angle. You can't see what I'm doing, but yeah, this is my first video in a long time. I'm really trying to get better at doing these videos and really get more consistent with posting videos. So make sure you guys subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram My Instagram is JayJay96. You can see it right there at the top left corner. So what do you guys think of this cut? I want to know what you guys think. Let me know down in the comment section. Was it good? Was it bad? Is there something you would have done different? Let me know. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like the video and subscribe.